Hello, you're watching ERi-TV live from the headquarters. Welcome to English News Broadcast. Let us start with today's major headlines. 13 patients who are under treatment in hospitals in the central region have been discharged. Sawa Vocational Training Center exerting effort to produce youth equipped with knowledge and skills. The significance of China in trade import to Germany is steadily increasing. And Russia and Belarus completed their strategic deterrence exercise. On the local news, we have an announcement from the Ministry of Health. 13 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the central region have recovered fully and have been discharged from these facilities. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,572, while the number of deaths stands at 103. The total number of confirmed cases in the country to date stands at 9,689. Ministry of Health, Asmara, February 22, 2022. At an activity assessment meeting conducted on 19 February, Sawa Vocational Training Center reported that it is exerting strong effort to produce youth equipped with the necessary knowledge and skill that could make an impact in the nation-building process. According to the reports presented by the directors of the various fields of study, necessary preparation has been made to start the academic year as scheduled through the coordinated participation of the Vocational Center and the National Service Training Center. The director of the Vocational Training Center, Mr. Tesfai Tewelde, said that the center is providing 2 years practical and theoretical training in 12 fields of study, including design, survey, electricity, electronics, water pipe installation, computer maintenance, cooling system, machinery operation and maintenance, as well as metal and woodwork. Mr. Tesfai also called on the concerned institutions and stakeholders to reinforce participation with a view to further develop the center. The participants of the meeting conducted extensive discussion on the reports presented and adopted various recommendations, including for strengthening the relationship between students, teachers, and staff at the center, as well as for creating a conducive atmosphere for students to have access to develop their skills practically at institutions in their areas. Speaking at the occasion, Colonel Debesai Gide, commander of Sawa National Service Training Center, said that the teachers and staff members of the center have the responsibility to produce competent and well-equipped students with knowledge and skill and expressed readiness to stand alongside them in their endeavors. Sawa Vocational Training Center is currently providing vocational training in 12 fields of study to 23,137 students, including 10,741 females. Conference with a view to grouping and encouraging creative and innovative use was organized in Keren and Sabah region on the 18 and 19 February under the theme Creativity for Development and Growth, indicating that research that has been conducted in the subzones of Keren, Hagaz, Ilaberit, and Adita Kalezan to identify youths that have the inclination of creativity and innovation. Mr. Mengist Absamel, heads of innovation at the Ministry of Trade and Industry branch in the region, said that the objective of the conference is to establish an association of youths with creativity and innovation skills and create conducive atmosphere for them to play due part in the nation-building process. The participants of the conference called on the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, as well as schools, to reinforce participation in identifying youth with creative and innovation skills and contribute in the development of their skills. Indicating the conference will be considered a call for action, Ambassador Abdullah Musa, governor of the region, expressed readiness that the regional administration would play due part in the effort. That was domestic news. Do stay with us for the international one after a short break. Welcome back. China has remained the most important trading partner of Germany for the 6th year in a row, as the bilateral trade volume between the two countries increased significantly in 2021. This is according to data released by the Federal Statistical Office of Germany. Data shows that Germany's total imports from China soared by 20.8% year-on-year in 2021, and its exports to the country went up as well, with an increase of 8.1% compared with 2020. According to the General Manager of the Germany Trade and Invest, the significance of China in import trade of Germany is steadily increasing, and China is one of the world's important growth markets, as well as an important partner in addressing global challenges such as the raging COVID-19 epidemic, climate change, and more. Citing data from the General Administration of Customs of China, the total value of imports and exports between these two countries in 2021 came up to about $235.1 billion. Russia completes its strategic deterrence exercise on Saturday. Russian President Vladimir Putin, together with Belarusian President Alexander Lukashenko, watched the exercise from the Situation Center at the Kremlin. Russia's aerospace forces, the strategic missile forces, the Northern and Black Sea fleets were involved in the drills. Previously, Kremlin spokesman Dmitry Peskov said that a series of exercises currently conducted by Russia are absolutely transparent, and there is no need for anxiety or fear. Firefighters battle at a wildfire in Corrientes, Argentina, starting from Saturday, seeking to suffocate the flames whipping through pasture in this rural area of the country. According to local officials in Corrientes, more than 600,000 hectares have been burned through by wildfire in recent weeks, fueled by drought conditions in the country. Many of Argentina's yerba mate plantations are located in Corrientes, dealing the region an economic blow expected to cost millions. You're still watching ERi-TV, and now a recap of today's major headlines. 13 patients who are under treatment in hospitals in the Central region have been recovered and discharged. Sawa Vocational Training Center exerting effort to produce youth equipped with knowledge and skills. The significance of China in trade imports to Germany is steadily increasing. And Russia and Belarus complete their strategic deterrence exercise. That was it for today. Thanks for watching.